Hi, welcome back to Diggerman Safety Tips and Techniques. Today we're going to give you some techniques of how to use a roller, twin drum roller, rolling along an edge, following the line, vibrator on, vibrator off, safety tips about that, and then we'll move on to another tip after that. Rightio, once we're up in the cab, just a few little simple basic things of the controls on this bow mag. You've got dual controls, so the dual controls allow you to work either side of the machine. So if you're leaning to the left, which we will be doing today, you've got your left hand on the control, right hand on the steering wheel, and you can lean over and see your edge as you go along. If you do the other side, obviously you slide your seat across. We'll start her up and then we'll give you some safety tips about rolling an edge. So first of all, we'll give it half throttle. Park brake, you bring your control in towards you and you simply have a good look behind you, make sure there's nothing behind, and we're going to go in reverse first. So it's simply the speed that you want to go is the amount that you use to control backwards and forwards. To stop, you just put your lever back in the neutral position, park brake, you push it over to the side and the machine's stationary. The buttons here on the left-hand control which we're using, the red button is your vibrate on and off, and the orange button is your warning device, your horn. So what we're going to show you now is just rolling the edge, following the line, vibrate on, vibrate off. You never have the vibrator on in a stationary position, as you'll just form an indentation or a hole in your road. So we'll just show you how to roll the edge and put the vibrator on and off it when needed. That's the vibrator on now. As you can see, it can look along that edge. And before we get too close to the other end, we'll just switch the vibrator off, roll through, and reverse again following the line. Vibrator on. And the speed that you roll is a good fast walking speed, not too fast, not too slow. Vibrator off and roll through. Just a safety tip with rollers while we've got you. If you were to roll along, I won't have the vibrator on, but if you were to roll along and your front drum started to vibrate and the edge collapsed as so, the first thing you do is stop your vibrator. The second thing you do is stop your roller as well. Then do not drive out of the problem, because if you do, the whole roller will go over the edge and that causes a rollover. What you do is you reverse out of the problem and bring your front drum back onto the hard surface. That's how many rollers roll and people are injured or killed in civil construction or mining, etc. Okay, so hopefully those handy tips of the edge rolling help you with your learning or make your operations a lot safer.